Carter, Whissel Widget of the Week. This is something we use in our business that either saves us time, makes us more money, or helps us have more fun. What do you got for us?
Yeah, so I was briefed on this question. I've got some small ones, a few, I think.
We're just going one today. Just one.
Just one.
Pick your favorite.
All right, so I've been trying this stuff. Actually, I asked you about this months ago too. I've been trying this stuff by a company called Neurohacker, and it's called Qualia Mind. So what do you call this? It's like a supplement.
It's
right?
a nootropic.
Yeah, it's a nootropic. Yeah. That's exactly what it is. And at first I was like, oh, this is crap. But man, after a couple days, you're a machine all day long.
Yeah.
I'll never go back. It's like coffee, but without the hit and the jitters and without the crash. And it just, oh my gosh, all day, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. nonstop. And then you just slowly come down at the end of the day. And
yeah.
What's
the name of it?
Changing. It's by a company called Neurohacker, and it's called Qualia Mind.
Qualia Mind.
It's like $60 a bottle, but a bottle will easily last you a month.
I like it.
It's good stuff.
Cool. Mine today is something that you should have in your office. You might even have one at your home, but it's just something that we use a lot in the office. We have them on all of our TV screens around the office, and it allows us to project things onto a screen, whether it be a TV screen or drop-down screen. And it is an Apple TV. And I think these are something that you should have around your office. The thing I like about the Apple TVs is pretty much everybody is on Apple products at this point, whether they're on MacBooks or they're on Apple iPhones, right? And the beauty is when we do masterminds and stuff like that, it's really fun that everybody in the room can share onto the Apple TV. So we've done a lot of stuff where we'll go around the room and say like, all right, what's working for you? And you could pull up, something that you're doing on your phone. Oh, I'm using this app and it's really cool and I do this and I do this. And then the next person could go and they could be on their laptop and they could, share their information up onto the screen and AirPlay it. Like really, really cool. So I strongly recommend, you can get them for like $100 now. If you just get the old version, which works perfectly fine, you can get the old version for like $100 now. So we have them on literally every screen in our office, and it just makes it nice when you're meeting with clients to be able to pop stuff up on the screen quickly, whether it's your phone, whether it's your laptop. So just grab some of those for like $100 right now. Pick up an Apple TV. Well, cool. Hopefully you guys got a lot of value out of the show today. Really appreciate you taking the time to tune in to this episode of the Whissel Way podcast. Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.